Hi, Milorad here. Today my mother-in-law is going to cook leek and potato soup for me. And here in my hands I have those three ingredients that we actually need. And this is a leek. I have beautiful leek. It's very difficult to buy leek. They usually send it in two. But 2 leeks are way too much for me because nobody else is eating this. And I found one and I bought one. And here I have just a regular russet potato. And here I have a sour cream or crema salvadoreña. This is sour cream that we will use kind of to thicken and flavor a soup. It's going to be leek and potato soup. Woo, very excited. Okay, first thing what we're going to do is we're going to boil potatoes, okay? And my mother-in-law is shy a little bit today for the camera. That's what I'm going to comment, but she's still a main chef here. We will kind of chop it or mash it, but not a full mashed potato. We will still kind of keep a little bit of chunks of potatoes. Okay? And of course we will peel, because this is old Russell potato. We will peel the skin, because skin is not really edible on those old potatoes. Potato peeled, and now my wife will mash them. But not too much, huh?
No. Okay, I think this is enough.
It's kind of just to break them a little bit.
Okay.
That's good?
Yeah. Take no. ¿Más?
Sí, sí. Sopa.
Okay. Okay.
She wants to mash it.
My mother-in-law says more. It needs to be more.
She says she's gonna make a sopa. Okay.
Of course, we are making soup. Okay, we are adding a chicken stock.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Más.
Sí.
Más. More chicken stock.
Then más.
Okay.
Okay.
Now she wants seasoning, and we have this
Garlic.
what was the name? That complete seasoning?
Complete seasoning.
And now we have garlic powder
Yes.
that we're going to put in the potatoes.
Yeah.
That's enough, she said.
Crema.
Sí, no,
Esto.
está. Así que,
Esto. Chicken.
sí.
Chicken stock, more chicken stock.
Más. Ya. Leche. Okay, now she wants milk.
We'll add a little bit of milk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Más.
Well, I was wrong. This looks like mashed potato to me.
Yeah.
Eso.
Esto. Esto.
Contreras.
Todo.
Todo.
Okay. Now we are adding, I think I have a dill and parsley here that she usually don't use, but I just added. And now we are adding this leek that I cut on small pieces, white part and green part as well.
I'm gonna cut this. Voy a cortar esto, okay?
And we have one little sweet pepper that is going in. Just for a little bit of color, huh? And of course there's some seasoning, special seasoning. I have no idea what kind of seasoning it is.
This one is cilantro and achote.
Achote, achote, okay.
Mantequilla?
Is that color from that?
Yeah, from the achote.
From the achote?
Yes.
Okay, achote is a Mexican kind of, I need to find out what achote is. And now we are adding butter. Or it's margarine. Or I cannot believe it's butter.
¿Suficiente?
Sí. La,
Achote.
no,
No.
la,
Crema.
sí.
Okay, now it comes sour cream or crema salvadoreña.
Ya.
Okay, I think we have all ingredients now. Now we will add a little bit of Vegeta. Vegeta is also all-purpose seasoning, mostly dried and dehydrated vegetables and salt. I think our concoction is ready.
Ya. Okay, now we're gonna pour it over here.
Okay, it goes to pot. Okay, our soup to be is transferred in the big pot, and now we're going to cook it. Little taste. Is it good?
¿Está buena? Sí.
See, of course it's good.
Hola, hola.
Our soup is boiling and needs to be kind of stir around, not to stick. And after a couple minutes of boiling, I think it will thicken a little bit. Now we can see it boil. Now we'll just cover this and simmer it for a couple more minutes. Our leek and potato soup is ready, and now I'm going to plate it. Wow, this looks really good. Look how thick it is. It thickened a lot. Ooh. Now I will just add a little bit of sour cream at the top. I'm ready to taste leek and potato soup with sour cream as well. It's my mother-in-law recipe, and she actually cooked and we helped a little bit. And now I will help eat it. And here I have a couple slices of pumpernickel bread that I'm going to use when I eat this soup. Okay? Look at that. Very, very, very creamy and thick soup.
Quên hả?
And then with this cold sour cream, it's really, really, really good. Potatoes, very, very creamy, and then I like leeks. I like taste of leek. It's way more intense than regular green onions, and that's why I like to use it instead of green onions. Okay, I think this is really, really good. Very, very nice dish that I'm going to finish off the camera. I need to thank my mother-in-law and my wife as well. Thank you very much. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Milorad out.